Hello, I am Bravita Threet, a member of the nationally known organization Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated, by way of the Great Hopewell chapter of Phi Gamma Zeta, and I am excited to read to you Inside Your Outsides, all about the human body. Inside your outsides. I'm the cat in the hat, here to share some good news, from the tips of your hair to the toes in your shoes. Your body is moving, it never stops. Right now your heart's beating, right now your blood's flowing. You may be just sitting and reading a book, but your body is busy. Come on, take a look. Here's the cat in the hat and the friends that we're reading to. Imagine if each time you walk down the street, you could look right inside of the people you meet. You'd see hearts pumping blood. You see brains busy thinking, lungs breathing, bones moving, and eyes always blinking. There's one easy way you can see what I mean. Take a ride in my Inside Your Outside machine. Every ticket is free, and before we are through, you will see inside me and inside of you too. There's the cat in the hat. And this is a famous machine. Inside Your Outside machine. Let's start at the top with your brain. It is key. It controls all you do, helps you laugh, learn, and see. It makes your legs move when you run, jump, or walk. It makes your face move when you blink, smile, and talk. It sends information to all parts of you and does millions of things no computer can do. Your brain never stops. It goes all day and night. Your brain has two sides, one left, one is right. This is inside the machine, you guys. And that is starting from the top at the brain. Different things are controlled by each side of your brain. The left helps you read and remember my name. The right helps you paint and play music and sing. Together, both sides help you do everything. How big is your brain? This is quite a surprise. Your two fists together are close to the size. This is your brain. Thing one and thing two are showing each other how big their brain is, right? Very good, you guys. Meet the Feltons, who live in a far-off fading. When they stand in the sun, you can see through their skin. It is easy to see when you look at a Felton. All of the bones that are known as a skeleton, bones shape our bodies and help us stand tall. We've 206. Some are big and some are small. We have 206 bones. These are the Feltons. Because our skeleton and our bones help us what? Stand tall. Very good. Make sure those shoulders are back. Let's stand tall while we continue to read. There are flat bones in your head, soft bones in your nose, curved bones in your ribs, short bones in your toes. One bone in your ear, this made us think twice, is so small, it's the size of just one grain of rice. Bones in your body are stronger than steel, but when a bone breaks, it is able to heal. Here are the flat bones, the curvy ones in your ribs, the soft nose, the soft bones in your nose. Oh, that's the bone the size of a piece of rice. Rice and bone. Rice and bone. Very good. Bones in your body are stronger than steel, but when a bone breaks, it is able to heal. He's broken, and now he's healed. Over time, bones heal, especially when you're young. Here is a fact that we both think is neat. A joint is a place where two different bones meet. Your elbow bone is a joint. Your wrist joint is a joint. Your fingers are a joint. Shoulder joint bone. This is your knee joint. There are joints in your elbow, wrist, shoulder, and knee. Joints help you bend so you move easily. Very good. There are bones down your back that are all in a line. They help you stand up and are known as your spine. The spine has a spinal cord running inside it, a bundle of nerves which help move it and guide it. Here is a word that we just learned today. The bones in your spine are called vertebrae. Your spinal cord. This is your spine down your back with your spinal cord in the middle. So what word did we learn today? Vertebrae. Nerves are like wires that run inside you. They let your brain know everything that you do. You have 5 different senses which help your brain tell what you hear, how things taste, what you see, touch, and smell. Sniff a flower and pull sweet smells to your nose. Nerves go to your brain and say, hey, that's a rose. Your sense of touch really tells you a lot. The kitten is soft, the pizza is hot. If you could not see other senses, it's true, like touch, taste, and smell, would work harder for you. So here are your senses. What sense is that? Which one is that? And what about this? And then touch. And then what's that? I can't see it. Sight. And look, they're all connected to your, what's that? Brain. Sound waves travel through air deep into your ears. Shaking your eardrum, that is how you can hear. Why do you feel dizzy when you have stopped twirling? Inside of your ears, there is liquid still swirling. Your poor dizzy brain just has no way of knowing whether you've stopped or if you're still going. Taste buds on your tongue tell your brain when you eat. This pickle is sour. This ice cream is sweet. Dizzy, spinning, dizzy. Somebody's eating a pickle and ice cream. And what is this person eating? And more ice cream. Very good. When your eyes look at something, it goes to your brain. And there's something happens that's hard to explain. The picture your brain sees is flipped upside down. It's up to your brain to flip it back around. Nearsighted folks can see things that are near, but far away things do not look quite as clear. Farsighted folks can see things that are far, but things that are close, my, how blurry they are. I'm farsighted, he's nearsighted. But we agree, with our glasses, we can see far and near. Together, they can see far and near. So here is the cat in the hat, and this is the eye. You see how the eye has flipped it, but the brain can understand it, right? And here is your nearsighted friend. can't see far away, but he can see up close. And here's your far-sighted friend who can see far away, but can't see up close. Very good. When you move, muscles pull on your bones and help you turn your head. Raise your hand, take a bite, and then chew. Some muscles are joint to each other or skin. They help wiggle your ears, raise your eyebrows, and grin. Here's a fact about muscles. We've known for a while you use more when you frown than when you smile. Look at those muscles. So this is our muscle skeleton. You have 600 muscles, and here's the best part. The biggest of all is your very own heart. The sound that your chest makes is, and that's the sound of your blood being moved by a pump. The pump is your heart. Blood flows through it, and the heart muscles squeeze the blood out again. Blood circulates your body in less than a minute. Each drop has millions of blood cells within it. This is your heart, the largest muscle in your body. Now, who remembers how long it takes your blood to circulate your body? I believe it was just 1 minute. Blood cells are 2 colors. They are red cells and white. If a germ makes you sick, that germ is in for a fight. A white blood cell gets ready the minute it meets it. It wraps up that germ, then the white blood cell eats it. Red cells give blood color. Look closely. You'll see they look just like donuts without holes to me. Does it look like a donut without holes to you? That's what it looks like to me too. And these are the white blood cells. They're the ones that eat the germs. Lungs help you to breathe, and they never can rest. They're like 2 balloons in each side of your chest. Inhale, breathe in air. Exhale, let air out. Every 4 seconds, you breathe in and out. Lungs bring in air, which you can't live without. These are your 2 balloons around your curved bones. Each time that you eat, the first thing that you do is put food in your mouth, and that's when you chew. Food goes in your stomach where juices are flowing, turns into a paste, then the paste keeps on going. A tube, the intestines, is what food moves through. The food feeds your blood, which then feeds all of you. This is your liver, your stomach, your large intestines, which goes to your small intestines. Food takes time to travel. Thing 1, and I know in our stomach, there's food we ate 3 days ago. When you drink, liquid enters your blood, then goes all over your body wherever blood flows. Blood is cleaned by your kidneys. They work with great speed to clean out waste and water that do not need. Waste water is stored in the bladder, then it soon flows back out of your body again. When you need food and water, you use quite a bit of it. If some is left over, your body gets rid of it. So this is your blood going to your kidneys, which cleans your blood, right? Let's see, is that what it says? When you drink liquid, it enters your blood and then goes all over your body wherever blood flows. Blood is cleaned by your kidneys. They work with great speed to clean out waste and water that you do not need. Very good. Wastewater is stored in your bladder and then it soon flows back out of your body again when you go to the restroom. Right? Oh, he really has to go to the bathroom. Hope he made it. Hope you made it, me too. We have come to the end of our ride. It is true, but there still is a lot you can learn about you. Way down deep inside of your body and mind, there's a lot going on every day, all the time. As you grow, you will learn that bones will get longer, your lungs will get better and bigger. Your muscles grow stronger, your brain and your heart will guide all that you do. Someone special is inside your outside. It's you. That's it. Inside your outside. All about the human body. Oh my goodness, this was good. I hope that you enjoyed this because I did. It's a Dr. Seuss special. So you guys have a great day and come back and visit anytime.